Bethenny. Hey everyone, it's Bethenny Frankel. NeNe, and NeNe Leakes. Bethenny, and today, we are here to have a very real and honest conversation about our strained relationship with Andy Cohen. That's right, Bethenny. We've both had our fair share of issues with him. Bethenny, you see, Andy is the executive producer of both The Real Housewives of New York City and The Real Housewives of Atlanta. We trusted him, Bethenny. We trusted him with our stories, our friendships, and our vulnerabilities. Bethenny, but somewhere along the way, that trust was broken. Andy played favorites. He didn't treat everyone equally. Bethenny, and it caused a lot of tension between us and him. It's hurtful when you give so much to a show and the person behind it doesn't have your back. Bethenny, we reached out to Andy multiple times, hoping for resolution and understanding. But unfortunately, that never happened. Bethenny, so, we decided to come together today and share our stories. We want our fans to know that it's okay to hold people accountable, even if they're in a position of power. Bethenny, it's important to stand up for what you believe in and speak your truth. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Bethenny, we hope that this conversation sparks change and leads to a more inclusive environment for all. So thank you for watching and standing with us. Bethenny, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more candid conversations like this one.